It's the Sanderson Farms Backyard Bash. Celebrity chef Kevin Rathbun. Today we're taking chicken skewers and taking it up a notch, right?
Yeah, these are the boneless chicken thighs from Sanderson Farms.
By the way, you can find Sanderson Farm Chicken if you're looking to know where. Just go to their website and check out their locator. I'm sure it's in a grocery store right near you. All right, I like the idea of something we can like hold.
Food on a stick has always been pretty popular, right? We're making a marinade. Ancho chili powder. Then we got a little bit of garlic. We have orange juice, lemon juice. And then the piece de la resistance is the chipotles in adobo, which is the heat. We have a chicken thigh that's been just cut in half. We're gonna put 2 water-soaked skewers. The reason why we do the water-soaked skewers is so they don't burn up on the grill, all right? We're gonna marinate these overnight. Then we're gonna put them on the grill. This is gonna go super fast, right?
Oh, I love that sound.
Oh, you love it, don't you?
Almost want to hug you when I hear
So now
that.
we just cook for 2 minutes aside, 3 minutes aside. Now you take these, you just split them apart.
So what's the salad underneath?
Corn and tomato salad. So, I mean, just super fresh. Cilantro, you add a little cucumber in this.
We're ready. I got the sweetness.
Yeah, you got that chipotle working. It's awesome. The adobo, you gotta love it.
I could have like 50. Amazing chicken recipes. You can go to the Sanderson Farms website. You'll find them all. Cheers.
Cheers to it. Cheers, my man. All right.